Hi, today I want to show you a new image edit model, Mage-Flow by Microsoft. It's a very small model. You can download it from Hugging Face. Go to Diffusion Models. I will be showing you the Edit Turbo BF16 and Inch 8. As you can see, it's only 8 and 4 gigs here. And the next thing is you need to download the text encoder. There's only one file here, and also a VAE. There's also one file here. The next thing is you have to download the workflow from the GitHub page here. Just search for Mage-Flow, and you will find Mage-Flow Edit. This is the one I will be using. Let's go to Comfy UI. I already downloaded the workflow. First, I need to select my model here. Let's try with the BF16 first. And the next thing is I need an image. I want to show you similar to my intro and using another image. This I created with Qwen-Image-Edit 2511 a long time ago. So replace the woman's dress with black t-shirt and jeans and give her a ponytail, replace the handbag as well, and replace the man's jacket with a jeans jacket. And I want to change the seat a little bit and fix the seat to compare the other model. And because this is turbo, I only need 4 steps, and CFG should be set to 1. Okay, that's all about it. And the size is 1 megapixel. So let's try it. 1. I'm not going to stop my recording because it doesn't take too long. Okay, as you can see, each iteration is only a little bit over 1 second. And check out the time. Only 20 seconds. That's amazing. That's the first time I generate an image below a minute. Now let's check out the original one here. So you can see, replace the bag. And she got a ponytail now. Change the hairstyle. The dress has become a black t-shirt and jeans. And the man is wearing a jeans jacket. And look at the face, is okay. Nothing much change. And her face is just the color has changed a little bit. Otherwise, it's quite nice. And for 20 seconds, this is amazing. Now let me try another model. I have already downloaded the other one as well. Let me select the Inch 8. Supposedly it should be faster. And using the same seat, everything the same. Run again. Okay, that only took 11 and 73 seconds. Check out the result. So because this one is the first generation, what I'm going to do is I change it back to BF16, see whether it still have the same time. Now I'm back to BF16 and run again. Okay, you can see now it only took 8 seconds here. I've got the feeling BF16 is faster on my environment. Okay, now you have seen something work really well, and I want to show you something doesn't work well. Let me try to use the same image and change the prompt. Replace the man's glass with a bottle red wine. He's filling the woman's wine glass. I'm not a good prompter, so I hope it does something. Let's try it. Okay, it's done. About 10 seconds, not bad. Look at the result. It's not too bad. It's not really filling the glass, but you can see the woman's glass has become red wine and he's holding a bottle. This time was lucky. Sometimes it just failed totally. In this case, it's not too bad. But you can see the face has changed a little bit here. In general, trying a different pose is a hit and miss. Most of the time, I didn't get that lucky like this one. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is just a simple edit job. This is the one I created for the Chinese traditional Hungry Groove season in July. So just for fun, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the text here. Let's get the prompt. Remove the bullet points and text in the bottom left corner. So let's try it. Okay, it's done. So you can see here text. And it's really nice, removed cleanly. And check the image. It didn't touch the image a lot. If I use Qwen-Image-Edit 2511 to remove the text on this image, I guess it would take about 2 to 3 minutes to do that. But this one only took 10 seconds. Okay, next, I want to show you this model can generate depth map as well. I want to show you with the depth map of this image. I took it with my phone for the LTX video controlled by depth map. You can check out my older video when I was using this. Let's change the prompt, generate a depth map, and run it. Okay, it's done. Now we got a depth map here. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to drop the depth map here and use the depth map to generate a new image. For example, generate a photorealistic fantasy city. Use the depth map information. Let's generate. Okay, you can see it has generated a city, but not very photorealistic. You can see it's actually based on the depth map here. Okay, I think that's all about Mage-Flow Image Edit Turbo. The one with the red wine bottle, I was just lucky. During my test, most of the time it failed. Sometimes the red wine bottle just flowed in the middle of nowhere and all of a sudden the man got a third arm. I don't want to compare it with other models because this is such a small model and it's very fast. This one is perfect for removing text and watermarks small jobs or just changing clothing like replacing object in the image. As you can see, it does a very good job. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.